name is Marisol Duchi and I cook your favorite food, dorayakis. The first, in a bowl, put the honey, the milk, add the sugar. And the next one, add the egg. Beat the fork or beat the mixture electric. Second, sift the flour and add the juice. And the last one, the salt. Everything well, put the before for the mixture and beat the mixture. And little a little, put the water in the mixture and beat the mixture. Hurry up the bowl and waiting for 15 minutes. Hello Anna, look this. Can you use the fry pan and add the oil in the front? A napkin, spread the oil. And with your use the glass for collect the mixture, but before send the fryer pan to put over low heat. And add the mixture. I like this, the mixture bubble up and then turn it. Can you knead the 2-minute cake? And you have the dorayaki with Nutella or chocolate within the middle, for example the sandwich. Put the Nutella or chocolate. And finally, and 2 dorayakis. And we'll go to our baby. And finish. Can you eat with dorayaki? Thank you for watching this video. Bye.